Everyone knows him as a snowboarder, and then I found out that he's actually been photographing for quite a while, and so I've been following him secretly, what he's been doing as an artist, as a photographer. And then I discovered these Polaroids, where we see in the exhibition as enlargements of his Polaroids. He did not only compose them very nicely, but also the pose of the model is exquisite, and very important, he also works on the backgrounds, which a lot of young artists in photography don't do. We did, in fact, sell quite a lot of his works. It was actually exceeding my expectations. There were new buyers or collectors that have been maybe just started to collect, and there were also sort of like regular collectors that had collections before, and they decided to. There was actually this one particular collector who has quite a big and important collection in Switzerland. He also bought the print, and he bought actually exactly that. This heart is an neon heart that hangs in the bar 3000 in Zurich, and that's a bar where Iouri hangs out a lot. And it also has a great reference to his title, Nicht eine Liebesgeschichte in English, not a love story, and I think whoever knows Iouri, there's a lot of love involved.